In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to normalize audio levels in Kdenlive. Whether you're working on a video project or polishing an audio track, getting your audio levels just right is crucial for a professional finish. By normalizing audio, you ensure that all parts of your audio are balanced, making for a more pleasant listening experience. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to open your Kdenlive project. Once you've got that up and running, go ahead and import the video or audio clip that you want to adjust. Importing can usually be done by navigating to the project bin and using the import function. With your clip in Kdenlive, it's time to get hands-on and move it to where all the magic happens, on the timeline. Drag your clip onto the timeline and select it by clicking on it. This selection is crucial as it tells Kdenlive which clip you want to apply the changes to. The next step involves finding the right effect. Head over to the Effects panel, which is your toolbox for all things transformation and enhancement in Kdenlive. In the search bar, type in Normalize Audio. This effect is nestled under the Volume and Dynamics category and is exactly what you need to even out those audio levels. Simply drag and drop the Normalize Audio effect onto your clip in the timeline. This action is straightforward but very powerful. It's where the software begins to work its magic. Once you've applied the effect, you'll notice that the audio levels of your clip will automatically adjust. The quiet parts will become more audible, and any overly loud sections will be softened. This process ensures you have a balanced, consistent sound across your entire clip. Now, if you're aiming for perfection or have specific requirements, you can further fine-tune the settings of this effect. Head to the Effect Stack panel, where you'll see options such as loudness, gain, and other adjustments. Play around with these settings to achieve the exact normalization strength you're after. Remember, this step is all about personal preference and the particular needs of your project. It's vital to preview your clip to ensure everything sounds just the way you want it. Play the timeline back and keep an ear out for balance and clarity. This ensures that your adjustments have had the desired impact, and there are no surprises during the final listen. And that's it. You've successfully normalized the audio levels in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.